See, nowadays, different ways of meeting your next of kin. You got plenty of fish, you got Tinder, even Instagram and Facebook. I'm gonna cut the long story short. This is about this girl I met on the internet one time. I named her Double Trouble. Say she don't come out. Double Trouble. Say she don't come out. Where we met is a story from another day. The friend request came quick, permanent page. This kind of things ain't new to us nowadays, so I accepted as she expected. Hourglass, finger rude, lips you neglected. Seemed to be worth every slime move, time and effort invested. First name Olivia, half-9 Chibrian with the Greek heritage. Indelible look, vision turned severe. Hooked up from a beverage, this wasn't easier. People's hemorrhage at the glimpse of her, like Pepper Le Pew. Think I just clocked mine, Penelope Cruz. Elegantly stepped in the room, hips caressing her garment like a wedding balloon. Filled with laughing gas when her ass bent. Love muscle, not like an iguana. Oh, what a view. When she plans on attack. Nothing, an unknown emotion, it's yet so familiar. A different episode where I'm Homer, on you my Marge, or something similar. We find the spark and better minerals. Perpetual energy gave us empathy to embark us individuals, still a team. Lustful memories of ex-girls, burning effigy. Can I trust you? Yes, no? Is it a dream? Whatever, man. This one's for keeps. Not felt that sudden urge to get up and leave. Reassurance it's meant to be. Could be wrong, but she's sugar sweet. Makes my heart play a melody to a beat. Never before, always been the horror's tendency to settle for more than I bargain. Pause meddling, of course, on our contours like a donut, supercharged. Then when I play my attack live. Holla, times 2. Double Trouble, when I plan my attack.
I doubt that you're ready. When I plan my attack.